Blue ivy spotted at Knott's Scary Farm. Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One thing, don't hesitate to subscribe, tap on the post notification bell for more updates to come. And in today's video, blue ivy was spotted at the Knott's Scary Farm. So what do you say about this beautiful and exciting video that was shared? Comment down below in my comment section and try to tell us what you think about this video. Going in the comment section, one comes in to say this is so beautiful, and I'm saying I love seeing such beautiful videos of blue. Another also coming in to say this is amazing, she's rocking it. So comment down below. I love you all. Bye bye and ciao ciao. Leave down a comment and share out your beautiful emoji for blue ivy.